It's raining and we're heading out right now. But we want to show you what our day was like here at Grant-Kohrs Ranch. It was a good one. Stay tuned.
Ride 'em, cowboy.
This is an example of an open range cattle ranch that started about 1858 and ran all the way into the 1900s. It encompassed almost 2 million acres at one time. They raised beef here to ship to the east, which helped feed the Industrial Revolution all the way into New York. At one year he sent over 10,000 head to Chicago at $65 a head. He was a very successful rancher.
Let's see if the Cowboy Cook has some dinner for us, ready for us on the fire.
Yeah, so he's up at about 4 o'clock in the morning, get the fire started, get food cooking so it's ready to go, get the cowboys up if they haven't smelled breakfast at that point, and the coffee, get them fed and on their way. Then he has to then clean up after the boys, pack up everything in the wagon, put the fire out, and work his way ahead of the cattle drive so he can find the spot for lunch, make the fire, cook the food so it's ready by the time the cowboys get to him, and then he gets to repeat all that over for dinner again. And then beef they did have available, but they did not kill their own beef. Killing their cow that they're driving is money out of their pocket at the end of the trail. So it is strays from other herds that are fair game, because we're going to lose some to them, they're going to lose some to us, as well as unmarked or maverick cattle that they would find along the trails. So this is authentic style cowboy coffee, which means the grounds are in it and it's bubbling hot.
No, go around the like you do in a circle. This one takes way too much coordination for them, I think. All right.
So this is called the Honda, and you want your loop to be about from your waist to the ground. And then you actually hold it about 8 to 12 inches past that. Roll it up in your hand. The easiest way to do this is underhanded, not fancy overhanded like the professionals do.
All right, Haley, see what you got. Don't lasso my camera, okay? All right, Natalie. There you go. Oh. Oh, man, that was close. Whoa, Nana, you're like a mile away, man.
This is my prize cow right here. Just riled it up. Is that the right word?
It is riled up right now.
Rounded it up.
Rounded it up. Roped it up.
Roped it up.
That was a perfect toss. I wish we had the camera going.
Yeah.
Right around the head.
Yeah.
Nice job.
I guess we'll just bring this home and eat it for supper.
Please tell me you got that on film. Huh? You will offer me a job here on the ranch.
Dad, what happened to this cow?
This cow met a good cowboy. That's what it is. And you see this rope on my hip right here?
Yep.
You know what that means?
You're gonna go get some more?
I don't know. Absolutely nothing. But if I had a cowboy hat and maybe some boots, I'd be a force to be reckoned with on this range. You know that? Mm-hmm. You hear what I'm saying, little cowgirl? Huh?
Yep.
You all know what I'm talking about? I don't want to have it with a New Jersey accent.
So what you're going to learn about today is the story of 4 ranchers and the open range or free range cattle era here in Montana.
Okay, I need to stop the video now. It's not permitted inside the house. That's the ranch cat. And you are the blacksmith,
I
right?
am the blacksmith. This ranch has been around newer since then, and this is one of the few buildings that we have from the 1900s. This actually wasn't built until the 1930s. It was built by Grant-Kohrs' grandson, Conrad Warren.
Thanks for watching our video, Grant-Kohrs Ranch.
And remember, there's always room for you in our next National Park adventure.
And please subscribe to America's Parks.
Good job.
Woo! The rain's coming down, let's go!